Imagine standing at the edge of a new era, one that's reshaping the world as we know it. The biggest wealth creation event of our lifetime is happening right now, the artificial intelligence revolution. This isn't just another tech trend, it's a seismic shift, comparable to the birth of the internet or the dawn of the smartphone age. AI is rapidly becoming the backbone of our digital society, and its impact is only accelerating. AI is transforming every industry, powering a new era of innovation and growth. From healthcare breakthroughs and smarter manufacturing to self-driving cars and personalized shopping, AI is everywhere. It's not just changing how we work, it's changing how we live, interact, and even dream about the future. Many think AI stocks are out of reach, reserved only for the wealthy or financial experts, but that's simply not true. The doors to this opportunity are wide open, and you don't need a fortune to get started. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro, just have the right information and the courage to start. Everyday people are learning, investing, and growing their money, all from the comfort of their homes. The tools and resources are at your fingertips. This isn't about gambling or chasing risky trends, it's about investing in the foundational companies of the AI boom. These are the businesses building the infrastructure, the software, and the hardware that power the entire AI ecosystem. These companies provide the essential hardware and technology that make AI possible. They're the backbone of this revolution, quietly enabling the breakthroughs that are changing our world. Even a small investment like $200 could be a game changer for your financial future. It's not about the amount, it's about getting started, building momentum, and letting your money work for you over time. Today I'll show you how to invest $200 in two powerhouse companies at the heart of the AI revolution. These are not speculative bets, but carefully chosen leaders with proven track records and massive potential for future growth. These aren't risky penny stocks, they're established world-class businesses. They're trusted by millions, driving innovation and shaping the future of technology on a global scale. The opportunity is right in front of you. The only question is, will you take the first step? Let's seize it together and start building your path to financial freedom in the age of AI. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. Before we dive into the companies, let's set the stage for what's truly happening in the world of artificial intelligence. We're living through a technological revolution, one that's transforming not just how we work, but how we live, communicate, and even think. AI is no longer a distant dream or a buzzword tossed around in tech circles. It's a force that's reshaping industries, economies, and the very fabric of our daily lives. The AI industry is a massive ecosystem, far more complex and interconnected than just a handful of big software names you see in the headlines. It's a vast network of innovators, engineers, and visionaries, all working together to push the boundaries of what's possible. From the cloud infrastructure that stores and processes data, to the algorithms that learn and adapt, every layer of this ecosystem plays a crucial role. Beneath the headlines are companies creating the chips, processors, and equipment that power AI. These are the unsung heroes, the manufacturers, the designers, the suppliers, who provide the essential building blocks that make AI possible. Without their relentless innovation and precision, the breakthroughs we celebrate simply wouldn't exist. This is where real sustainable growth lies. While flashy apps and viral AI tools grab attention, it's the foundational technology, the hardware, the infrastructure, the core components, that quietly fuels the entire industry's expansion. These companies are the backbone of the AI revolution, supporting everything from self-driving cars to smart assistants and beyond. Think of the California gold rush. While many rushed to find gold, the real fortunes were made by those selling picks and shovels. The people who supplied the tools, the equipment, and the infrastructure became the true winners, profiting steadily as the rush unfolded. The same principle applies today in the AI boom. Investing in these pick-and-shovel companies is a smart way to tap into AI's explosive growth. Instead of trying to predict which single AI application will dominate, you're investing in the companies that every AI player depends on. These are the firms building the hardware, the networking equipment, and the specialized tools that make AI innovation possible. You're not betting on one winner. You're investing in the technology every AI company needs. Whether it's a startup developing the next big chatbot, or a global giant training massive language models, they all rely on the same essential components. This strategy gives you a stake in the entire AI movement, not just a single player. This approach gives you broad exposure and reduces risk. By spreading your investment across the companies that supply the entire industry, you're less vulnerable to the ups and downs of any one business. It's a way to participate in the AI gold rush with a safety net, capturing growth while managing uncertainty. We're looking for giants hiding in plain sight, companies that are absolutely essential to AI but don't always make the front page. These are the firms quietly enabling the breakthroughs, providing the tools and infrastructure that power the world's most advanced technologies. These companies are quietly building the future, one chip and patent at a time. Their work may not always be glamorous, but it's vital, laying the groundwork for the next generation of AI advancements and shaping the way we'll live and work for decades to come. By identifying them, we can get in early on the next wave of AI-driven growth. It's about seeing the bigger picture, understanding where the real value is created, and positioning ourselves to benefit as the AI revolution accelerates. So let's get to our first pick, a company likely powering the device you're using right now, and one that's poised to play a pivotal role in the future of AI. The journey to uncovering the next generation of tech giants starts here. Our first AI growth stock is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QTOM. Qualcomm has dominated mobile processors and modems for decades. Their Snapdragon chips power a huge share of the world's Android devices. Now AI is transforming smartphones into powerful on-device assistants. Real-time translation, instant photo editing, and context-aware AI all require immense processing power. Qualcomm's new Snapdragon chips are built for this AI era, with dedicated neural processing units. Your next phone will handle complex AI tasks right on the device, faster, more private, and more responsive. As every phone maker races to add AI features, Qualcomm is the primary enabler. They're providing the essential picks and shovels for the on-device AI gold rush. Qualcomm's opportunity goes far beyond smartphones. Their low-energy processing tech is now crucial in the automotive sector. Modern cars are packed with AI-powered systems, and Qualcomm's Snapdragon digital chassis is becoming the go-to solution. They've partnered with major automakers like BMW and GM, and their automotive revenue is set for explosive growth. Qualcomm is also breaking into AI-powered PCs, challenging the old guard with Snapdragon X Elite chips. This diversification means Qualcomm is no longer just a phone company. They're a semiconductor powerhouse. From phones to cars to PCs, they provide the core AI technology. By weaving into multiple high-growth markets, Qualcomm is securing its future. Their strategic pivot is brilliant, and the market is just starting to catch on. Qualcomm is a compelling investment for the AI era. Let's take a closer look at the numbers and see what they reveal. As of June 2025, Qualcomm trades at a reasonable valuation, with huge growth potential in both automotive and AI PCs, making it a compelling choice. Right now, Qualcomm sits on a market cap of $174.06 billion, and it's delivering some solid earnings with an EPS of 9.94. The stock is currently trading at a price-to-earnings ratio of 15.86, which is quite attractive considering the sector averages. In 2024, Qualcomm pulled in $38.96 billion in revenue and posted a strong net income of $10.14 billion. But here's where it gets interesting. The current share price of $157.67 is sitting about 17.65% below its estimated fair value of $185.49. That suggests the stock might be undervalued right now, offering a potential buying opportunity for long-term investors looking for quality at a discount. Their earnings consistently beat expectations, and their automotive and IoT segments are growing fast, outpacing many competitors. Qualcomm pays a healthy dividend yield of 2.18% and regularly buys back shares, rewarding loyal investors with steady returns. This combination of growth, value, and shareholder returns makes Qualcomm a top-tier AI stock for forward-thinking investors. They're not just participating in the AI revolution, they're actively enabling and shaping it. Qualcomm is a perfect cornerstone for any AI-focused investment strategy, offering stability and innovation. Our second AI growth stock is Applied Materials, ticker symbol AMAT. If Qualcomm designs the brains, Applied Materials builds the machines that manufacture those chips. Without their high-tech equipment, companies like TSMC and Intel couldn't produce advanced AI chips. Applied Materials is the ultimate pick-and-shovel play in semiconductors. Their machines create chips with billions of transistors, manipulating materials at the atomic level. As AI models get more complex, demand for their equipment keeps rising. Every major chipmaker relies on Applied Materials technology. They're an indispensable partner in the global tech ecosystem. Applied Materials growth is fueled by several unstoppable trends. The AI data center boom means more demand for advanced chips and their manufacturing equipment. Countries are investing billions to build domestic chip factories, and Applied Materials is the first call for new fabs. As chips get more complex, their machines become even more essential. They also supply equipment for making high-end displays in smartphones and TVs. This broad exposure gives them stability and growth. The combination of AI, global fab building, and display demand creates a powerful growth engine. Applied Materials is at the center of it all. They're a direct beneficiary of the AI era's explosive expansion. Applied Materials is a cash-generating machine with high margins and a fortress balance sheet. Their products are essential, giving them strong pricing power and a durable competitive advantage. Even during market downturns, their broad exposure keeps them resilient. With a market cap of $143.34 billion, this semiconductor equipment powerhouse posted earnings per share of 8.27 in 2024, with a P/E ratio of 21.37, a little higher than Qualcomm's but still well within range for the industry. The company brought in $27.18 billion in revenue last year and reported a healthy $7.18 billion in net income. Currently, its stock is trading at $176.74, which is just 2.88% below its estimated fair value of $181.83, meaning it's fairly valued with just a slight discount baked in. They have a dividend yield of 0.94% and consistently increase dividends and aggressively buy back shares. This rewards long-term investors and boosts share value. Applied Materials is a blue-chip tech leader, less tied to consumer whims and more to structural tech growth. For a sleep-well-at-night AI investment, AMAT is an outstanding choice. Now that you know about Qualcomm and Applied Materials, you might be wondering, how can you actually buy shares in these AI giants if you only have $200 to start with? The good news is, investing in top-tier companies is more accessible than ever before, even if you're not a Wall Street pro or don't have thousands of dollars lying around. In the past, you had to buy whole shares, which could be expensive and out of reach for many new investors. But today, technology has changed the game. Thanks to the rise of fractional shares, you no longer need to save up for a full share of a company. Fractional shares let you buy a piece of a stock, so you can invest any amount you're comfortable with, even if it's just a few dollars. This means you can start building your portfolio with as little as $200 and still get exposure to some of the world's most innovative companies. Most major brokerages, like Robinhood, Fidelity, Schwab, and others, now offer the ability to buy fractional shares. You can compare their features, fees, and user experience to find the one that fits your needs best. Setting up an account is usually quick and straightforward, and you can do it all from your phone or computer. For example, with your $200, you could easily split it between Qualcomm and Applied Materials, putting $100 into each. You don't need to worry about the exact share price. Your money will buy you a fraction of each stock, so you'll own a piece of both companies right away. As a shareholder, even if you own just a fraction, you'll benefit from any increase in the stock price. Plus, if the company pays dividends, you'll receive your share of those payments, proportional to how much you own. Over time, these small amounts can add up, especially if you reinvest your dividends to buy more shares. Fractional shares have truly democratized investing. Now, anyone can start building a portfolio of world-class companies, regardless of their starting amount. You don't need to be wealthy or have a finance degree, just a willingness to learn and the discipline to stick with it. The real secret to growing your wealth isn't about timing the market or picking the next big winner. It's about consistency. By adding to your investments regularly, even if it's just a small amount each month, you can take advantage of the power of compounding and watch your portfolio grow over time. This approach is called dollar cost averaging. It means you invest a fixed amount on a regular schedule, regardless of whether the market is up or down. Over the long run, this strategy can help smooth out the ups and downs of the market and reduce your risk, making it a proven way to build wealth steadily. Getting started is easier than ever. All you need to do is open a brokerage account, transfer your funds, and search for the stocks you want to buy, like QCOM and AMAT. Most apps will guide you step by step, so you'll know exactly what to do, even if you're a complete beginner. With just a few taps or clicks, you can become a part owner of these AI leaders. It doesn't matter if you're investing $20 or $2,000. The important thing is that you're taking action and getting started. By making your first investment, you're moving from being a spectator to an active participant in the future of technology. You're not just watching the AI revolution, you're helping to fuel it, and you stand to benefit from its growth. The barriers that once kept everyday people out of the stock market are gone. Your journey as an investor starts right now, and every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. So take that first step today. With just $200, you can begin building your financial future, one share at a time. The most important investment you'll ever make is in yourself, and your journey starts now. Both of these companies are financially strong, highly profitable, and deeply entrenched in their respective markets. Qualcomm is a key player in wireless technology and 5G, while Applied Materials is essential to the chip manufacturing ecosystem. making them both compelling candidates for long-term portfolios, especially if you're looking to ride the wave of the next tech expansion. So, if you're building a watch list, these are two names worth keeping a close eye on. We've covered the AI revolution and two companies poised to profit for years to come. Fractional shares make it possible for anyone to start investing with as little as $200. The next move is yours. The journey to financial independence starts with a single step, making your first investment. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you. You have enough information to begin. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one other AI stock you're bullish on for the long term and why? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's learn from each other and build a community of smart investors. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more investing insights. The market is always evolving. My goal is to keep you ahead of the curve. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now. Go out there and start building your future. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.